Good morning, guys. Okay, so what's on my counter? Okay, I have some honey that's about empty, so I gotta finish that up. I've got some apples from the tree that I'm gonna use for apples and peanut butter later, and a banana. I do not grow bananas. I wish I could. Then I have over here, I actually have dandelion root tincture draining over here. Isn't that funny? There's all the roots. Been in there for about 6 weeks, so it's draining in there. And then over here, I have 2 things of apple cider vinegar going on. And I've got some tricky ways to try to keep the apples below the liquid line. And they are basically just doing a ferment for 3 weeks. I'll strain it, ferment them again in a dark spot for 3 more weeks. So you see I've just got like a Tattler lid here holding them down. Then I've got this, look at that, see? That's just kind of pushing them down. Then I'm going to put this back over it to keep out the gnats and stuff, because it's a delicious ferment, and boy, the little bugs like it this time of year. Then I've got over here, we've got our sourdough starters just hanging out. I got 2 of them going. And then over here, I've got some tortillas that are breaking down the, I think it's called like phytic, I should really learn how to pronounce it, some kind of acid, and breaking down the stuff so it's easier for your body to digest. So that's going to sit there for 5 hours, and I'll just whip up about 6 tortillas from that. Over here is the same process, but this is just the flour and the sourdough. That's just kind of doing the same thing, and I'll make muffins later, and I'll add in a bunch of stuff. So that's what I've got going on my counter, and I probably should make some more coffee. Yep. All right. Bye.